Hello student, in today's lecture we are going to learn about application of hyperconjugation. In previous lecture we already teach about what is hyperconjugative effect. Now let us start application of hyperconjugation. The concept of hyperconjugation is used to explain relative stabilities of alkene, carbocation and free radicals. The greater the number of hyperconjugative structure, the greater is the stability of molecules or ion. First, we calculate stability of alkenes by the effect of hyperconjugation. In alkene, comparative study of propene and ethene. Here propene is more stable than ethene. Why propene is more stable than hyper? In propene, there are 3 alpha hydrogen present. Therefore, propenes show 3 hyperconjugative structure. And in ethene, ethene has no hyperconjugative structure because absence of alpha hydrogen atom. Hence, propene is more stable than ethene. Then, second application, relative stability of carbocation. Carbocation means positively charged carbon. Here, simple alkyl carbocation, the decreasing order of stability. Tertiary carbocation, secondary carbocation, primary carbocation and in simple methyl. Here, tertiary carbocation, example tertiary butyl, CH3, C, CH3, CH3 and C have a positive charge. Therefore, this is called as the carbocation. In tertiary butyl, there are 9 alpha hydrogen. Therefore, tertiary butyl show 9 hyperconjugative structure. And secondary carbocation, example is isopropyl, means CH3, C, CH3. Here 6 alpha hydrogen present. Therefore, secondary carbocation show 6 hyperconjugative structure. And in primary, example is ethyl. There are 3 hyperconjugative structure present. And in methyl, no hyperconjugative structure present. Therefore, tertiary carbocation more stable than secondary carbocation, secondary carbocation more stable than primary carbocation and primary carbocation more stable than methyl because of the hyperconjugative structure. And last, relative stability of free radicals. In free radicals, among the simple alkyl free radicals, the decreasing order of stability is tertiary free radical is more stable than secondary free radical and secondary free radical more stable than primary free radical. Primary free radical more stable than methyl. Here tertiary free radical, example is tertiary butyl. This tertiary butyl free radicals have a 9 hyperconjugative structure. Therefore, this compound more stable than isopropyl. Isopropyl shows 6 hyperconjugative structure and ethyl shows 3 hyperconjugative structure. Therefore, tertiary free radicals has more hyperconjugative forms than secondary free radicals, which in turn has more hyperconjugative structure than the primary free radical. Methyl free radicals has no hyperconjugative form. Hence, alkyl carbocation shows a decreasing order of stability as mentioned above. These are the application of hyperconjugative effect. Thank you, student.